What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update. I know we were just here yesterday, but there's been some progress. Let's go!
Purple Mike's, he just posted he was here like 8 minutes ago. So.
Your face Look proud first.
Well, good news, guys. Since Christmas Town is going on currently, we're able to get an awesome view of Iron Gwazi right here from the village. Let's go do that now.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, all that you sing right within your heart. City sidewalks, busy side.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from Busch Gardens Tampa for Iron Gwazi construction. I am happy to say that crews have installed part of the inverted stall, and it looks like work will continue on the lift in the coming week. I think that stall is going to be finished up before anything happens with the drop and lift. And speaking of lift, I'm thinking we got about a week and a half maybe until we possibly have a topping out. We shall see. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.